Turkish cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors, boasting a variety of spices that elevate dishes to new heights. Unlike some culinary traditions that rely on rigidly defined, named spice blends, like Georgian Phoenician salt, Turkish cooking embraces the individual character of its core spices. The magic lies in the artful combination and nuanced application of these distinct aromas and tastes. Among these, pul biber, sumac, kekik, kimyon, and nane stand out, each playing a unique role in creating a symphony of taste that's often improvised and adapted to the dish at hand. Pul biber, the warm embrace of Turkish chili. Pul biber, also widely known as Aleppo pepper, brings a warm, fruity heat to the table. Its vibrant red flakes are a visual feast, transforming any dish into a culinary delight. Often with a subtle oil coating and a touch of salt to enhance its character, pul biber offers a gentle spiciness that builds without overwhelming the palate. A generous sprinkle over roasted vegetables, grilled meats, or even a simple lentil soup instantly enhances their flavors, infusing them with a comforting warmth that lingers. Specific varieties like Urfa biber, isot, with its dark, smoky, and almost raisin-like notes, showcase the diverse profiles within this single essential spice. Sumac, a tangy burst of brightness. Sumac, with its deep burgundy hue, introduces a tangy brightness that can awaken even the dullest meals. Derived from the dried and ground berries of the sumac bush, its zesty, lemony flavor is the perfect complement to grilled meats, offering a refreshing contrast. Imagine a drizzle over fresh salads, a sprinkle atop creamy hummus, or even a dusting on onions served with kebabs. Sumac elevates these dishes into something truly memorable, providing a delightful pucker of flavor. Kekik, the earthy essence of Mediterranean herbs. Kekik, often referring to dried thyme or oregano or a blend of both, embodies the essence of Mediterranean herbs. Its earthy, pungent fragrance transports you to sun-drenched Anatolian gardens, enhancing the natural flavors of lamb, poultry, and vegetables. Adding kekik to marinades enriches the meat, while infusing stews and soups with an aromatic depth that makes every bite satisfying and soulful. It's a versatile herb that provides a grounding, savory foundation. Kimyon, a warm, nutty foundation. Kimyon, or cumin, adds a warm, nutty note that grounds a myriad of Turkish dishes. Its bold, earthy essence shines brightly in traditional lentil soups, various meat preparations like köfte, meatballs, and kebabs, creating a robust tapestry of flavor. The toasted aroma of kimyon conjures images of bustling bazaars, wrapping you in its warm embrace with every taste. It's a fundamental spice that provides depth and character to countless savory creations. Naan, the cooling touch of mint. Nane, or dried mint, offers a fresh, cooling touch that beautifully balances richer flavors. Its bright green essence serves as the perfect lift in dishes, cutting through fattiness or heat with a refreshing burst. Imagine a dollop of yogurt with nane mixed in, providing a creamy, tangy base that complements spicy meals beautifully. It's also a common addition to traditional soups, salads, and vegetable dishes, adding a vibrant aromatic finish. Incorporating these individual spices into your cooking opens up a world of flavor possibilities. They are more than just ingredients. They are storytellers of Turkish culture, tradition, and culinary artistry. By understanding and experimenting with pul biber, sumac, kekik, kimyon, and nane, you can unlock an array of mouth-watering combinations, inviting everyone to enjoy the flexible and diverse secret that is Turkish seasoning. Which of these essential Turkish spices will you try in your next dish?